When's the best time to plant a tree? 20 years ago. When's the second best time? Today. Ever hear that before? Well, when is the right time to buy a home? Will Koenig here at Cornerstone Home Lending. And I know it can be confusing when you're buying a home, but when you work with the Koenig team, you're always going to know your numbers, know the next step, and know that you'll close on time. Things are changing quickly in the housing and the financial markets, and if you're trying to time the market to buy at the right time, you could miss out on your home, and even worse, you could miss out on the financial benefits of homeownership altogether. So let's make it simple. Our housing market is driven by two main things right now. One is a shortage of homes, and two, low rates. How do each of these affect you? There are currently 5 million more buyers than available homes in the US. Do people pay more for things that are hard to find? Of course, when the supply of something is scarce, prices go up. This is one reason why home values have been increasing over the past year. And with a shortage of 5 million homes, this will likely continue for a few years until enough new homes are built. Millennials are now entering the home buying market, and just last year, 38% of all the home purchases were by millennial buyers. Remember, each time a first-time home buyer buys a home, there is one less home on the market. So this shortage of homes drives prices up. This is likely going to continue for the next few years. And when prices are increasing, waiting to buy costs real money, or it requires you to downgrade your search. So maybe you haven't found the one yet, but do you really want to pay an extra $150 per month for the same decent house in about 6 months? We get it. Buying a home can feel confusing, and the Koenig team is here to make it simple for you. We're ready to help you start the process and find a home while prices are still low. You can connect with me by sending me an email at KoenigTeam, that's Koenig, TEAM @houseloan.com, or heading over to my website linked above. This is a two-part series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in part 2, where we talk about what is up with rates.